Let's meet our new mini 3D printer, E180. We developed the E180 to be affordable and easy to use. Its black and white body imparts a touch of elegance and simplicity, allowing it to fit harmoniously into your workplace or home. All the necessary components are enclosed within the frame, ensuring that you can print safely. The cantilever design enables the printing head to move quickly, lightly, and accurately. This design also allows you to observe your print in full view. The new extruder consists of modularized parts, saving you time and effort in swapping the wireless hot end. As compact as it is, the E180 can help you turn your unlimited imagination into tangible and practical items. The E180 is ready to use right out of the box and doesn't require any advanced configuring or adjusting to get started. And with the built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily operate your E180 from your PC, smartphone, or tablet with our Easy Print 3D. Choose your favorite 3D model from the Cloud Gallery, preview it, and start to print directly. Moreover, it is convenient to upload your own design and share your printing experience with others. E180 prints at high speed without compromising print accuracy. The printouts have a smooth surface, sleek contour, and strong structure. Frustrated by inadvertent print interruptions caused by power failures? The break resuming feature will free you from these frustrations forever. The advanced break resuming system makes it possible for you to save the print status in real time and then to resume printing as if it never stopped. It also enables you to complete a large project over several printing periods.
Now the machine is at a stage of small batch production. Please back this campaign and help us. Share it with your friends and family, spread this project to the world, and leave us your feedback. It is with your support that we could bring E180 to more and more people. Thank you very much.